Hey gamers! Today we're testing some of the most talked about CPU plus GPU combos. Intel, AMD, NVIDIA. Who's the real boss in gaming? Whether you're building a PC or just curious, stick around. This might save you a lot of money and headaches. Let's start with the classic combo. Intel CPU plus NVIDIA GPU. This setup is legendary for a reason. Great performance, lower temperatures, quiet and stable. Amazing for productivity and gaming, like a calm, rich dad and his disciplined son. Reliable, serious, and not messing around. This is the underdog combo that surprises everyone. AMD CPU plus NVIDIA GPU gives you incredible gaming performance at a lower price. Cost-effective, great multi-threaded performance, thanks to Ryzen. Slightly warmer, but manageable pure gaming beast. This combo's like a rebel who's smarter than everyone thinks. Finally, the red team combo. AMD plus AMD. With Smart Access Memory, SAM, you get better synergy between CPU and GPU. Good gaming potential, high temps under load, power draw is higher, needs strong cooling. Or else this is the combo that performs well, until it melts your room, best for budget gamers with good airflow and cooling. Which combo are you using? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. More PC tests are coming soon.